play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the tea, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am IAMDACARDIA, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. And if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. One of my beautiful baddies on a budget commented on one of my videos asking, can you try a short pixie wig? If that's your vibe, I think it will look foxy on you. And honey, I was like, ooh, I never did this before. Should I choose this one or should I choose this one? And I'm like, oh girl, this is a hard decision, especially when someone that doesn't wear a pixie cut, but why not try it? So I ordered it. And of course, you know, I got this from Temu. And yes, it is a human hair wig. She is 2 inches. And guess how much I paid for her? Can you guess? No? Okay. $8.13. So me being me, I'm like, I can't do short like that. I have to put something in with this. Like, I made these clip-ins and I'm like, should I put it in or should I just wear it the way it comes? I don't know. I just decided to wait until I put the wig on to see, but I'm about to show you everything that I got in the package. At this moment, I'm like, oh my God, what am I about to do with this? I am so new to the pixie cut. I don't really truly know what to expect from it besides a short look. I don't know why I thought this was going to come out styled already. But y'all, this is what it looks like. But just bear with me. I'm going to give you the details. So at the top of the wig, it comes with 1 comb, and on the bottom, it also comes with another comb and also some adjustable straps. And at this moment, I'm realizing I don't really truly know what I'm doing, but I am going to wing it. Just think about it and go for it. So let's get it started. Since my natural hair is so thick and very bulky, I need 2 stocking caps to hold it down. Because obviously, you got a short unit. You need to have it down. It needs to be flat. So I got me a fresh stocking cap and I also got me a used stocking cap. Now this one is pretty tight and I do know that. That's why I used it. So it can hold my hair down. The moment of truth. Let's go ahead and put it on, because y'all, I'm like so nervous. Girl, at this point, this got me in tears. I'm like, oh my God, what have I got myself into? Like, look at this. And I know it's not style, but look at it. So I did see on Temu's app that you have to shake it up. You have to, fix it up a little bit, and it's been compressed. It's just been flat, and yeah, you just really gotta play with it, really. If you decide to wear this unit straight out of the bag, this is what it would look like. The true test is in the back, because if that hump is still there, we need to go back, but you see it.
Straight up. Straight up.
rich niggas. You know, so we ain't really never had no old money. We got a whole lot of new money though.
Cholo.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Oh shit. Records on records, got backers, I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your bitch right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Beat down her walls, loose. Hop in the fall. I tell that bitch to come for me. I swear these niggas is under me. The hate and the devil keep jumping me. Back rows on me, keep me company. Hey, we did the most. Yeah, pull up and goes. Yeah, my diamonds a choker. Holding up, I with no holster. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a roller, not a mule. Dabbing on them like the usual. Magic with the brick of voodoo. Courtside with a bad bitch. Then I send the bitch through Uber. I'm young and rich and plus I'm bougie. I'm not stupid, so I keep the Uzi. Records on records, got backers on backers, so my money making my back. Ay. You niggas got a low act rate. We from the north, yeah, that way. That could be blunt in the ashtray. You bitches just national smash day. Hop in the left, have a drag race. I let them birds take a bath, babe. Drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot box. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. It's bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too.